Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today we'll be replacing and restoring my dad's iPhone 7 Plus. Let's get right started. So what I'm doing here is just loosening the screws, heating up the phone to loosen the adhesive, and with this we want to basically swap out the battery, bring in some new life to this iPhone 7 Plus, and also we'll apply a brand new screen protector and a new case. So once we've got the adhesive loose enough, we can lift open the iPhone screen, basically just like a book would open, because you've got to be really careful about these ribbon cables, not to rip or tear anything, because then it would basically render the screen broken. Then we can start unscrewing this little metal bracket, and what's a really cool thing is that I got this magnetic screw pad from the Wow Stick, just to hold up the screws, not to lose them. And what I'm doing here is just disconnecting the battery. That's really important to do this first because you don't want to cause any short circuits. Also, what I'm doing along the teardown is keeping the screws in the same pattern that I took them out, because they use different height and different size screws, just to not get anything confused. So now disconnecting the screen, you can just take it right out, and this is quite important because we want to take out the screen to apply a new adhesive. Next thing is the little speaker hole thing, and then we can also disconnect the Taptic engine and get started with removing the battery pull tabs. These were actually surprisingly long. I did not expect them to be this long when you pull them out. But once these are removed, we have the old iPhone battery. This one barely held the charge, and essentially the phone was very slow thanks to the throttling. And this would be the replacement battery I've ordered. Quality looks pretty good, and it should bring back the phone's capacity to 100%. So let's apply the new sticky pads and get this battery into the phone. And not to forget folding over these little tabs, the pull tabs, just to be able to remove it again. And now basically we do the same thing we just did in reverse. So let's get started with the Taptic engine, and we can start assembling the whole phone back together. What I'm doing here is just removing leftover pieces of the adhesive, because we do not want any adhesive pieces left when applying the new one like we're doing right now. And with the new adhesive strip on, we can start testing the phone by connecting the display panel. This step's really important because we do not want to connect everything back together and then realize once we've stuck the screen back on that nothing's working, or we maybe missed one connector. So it's really important to first test the screen without gluing it in place, so just connecting all the little connectors and then turning the phone on. So here we go, first test boot, see if everything works with the new battery installed. And success. Okay, that's very good to see, because now what we can do is turn the phone back off again and finish the reassembly. So putting on those little brackets and ensuring the ribbon cables stay all connected and in place. And the last screws, all that's missing now is to put in those little screws near the lightning port, and let's install the brand new screen protector and get the phone back up to like a new condition. And there we have it. I hope you enjoyed this really random video restoring this phone, and let me know what you think of the audio quality. I recorded this all with the Fifine I did a review on last week. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.